What is the DuPont 12-hour shift schedule? What is the DuPont schedule? A rotating 12-hour shift system ensuring 24/7 coverage, splitting employees into 4 teams for day, night shifts, and recovery days over a 4-week cycle. Structure of DuPont schedule. It runs in 4-week cycles with 4-day shifts, 3 night shifts, and alternating days off, balancing workload while rotating shifts for recovery and productivity. Ensures 24/7 coverage. Businesses maintain continuous operations through a 4-team rotation without interruptions, ideal for industries requiring round-the-clock staffing. Balanced work hours. Employees work 14 out of 28 days, averaging 42 hours per week, ensuring enough rest time and work-life balance for long-term health and satisfaction. Boosts productivity. Consecutive days off after long shifts allow employees to recover fully, leading to improved energy, focus, and overall productivity at work. Drawbacks of long shifts. The 12-hour shifts can be physically and mentally taxing, and rotating between day and night shifts can disrupt circadian rhythms, affecting sleep. Industries using DuPont. Common in manufacturing, healthcare, public safety, utilities, and logistics, industries that require constant, uninterrupted operations. Managing fatigue. Monitoring employee fatigue, providing sufficient breaks, and offering wellness programs ensure workers stay healthy while managing long shifts. Use of scheduling tools. Attendance tracking software simplifies managing shifts, monitoring overtime, and ensuring compliance with labor laws for better efficiency. Managing fatigue. Monitoring employee fatigue, providing sufficient breaks, and offering wellness programs ensure workers stay healthy while managing long shifts. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and follow us on social media platforms.